Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing something from the Cubicle.us. So let's get into it. So it is looks like the X-Men Volt Square 1. I was really excited for this, and yeah, since I really like Square 1 and I want to get into it more. So yeah, let's put this stuff off to the side and get into the puzzle. Okay, so it's yellow on top, regular turning. It's got plastic wrap, which is good for keeping the lube off, but sometimes a little annoying to take off. It's lubey. On the outside, that's not where you're supposed to put lube. You're supposed to put it on the inside. Okay, so it's really lubey on the outside. It's like definitely not dry on the outside, and it feels dry on the inside. That's weird. That is so weird. Okay, so I really like it. It's pretty fast. Definitely better than my Chifa Square 1. Definitely my main. Like, yeah. Okay, so yeah, first impressions are it's kind of lubey on the outside, but that just might be my sweaty hands. I'm not sure. And also, it's fairly dry on the inside. So, lubey on the outside, not really on the inside. So that's kind of weird. Very smooth. Kind of clacky, but not as much as the Cyclone Boys 2x2. That was really bad. I mean, it's a good puzzle, but just really clacky. Okay, so overall, this puzzle is really fast. I can perform Algs amazing. And let's do a solve on it. So, I'll scramble it. No, I'm not using a CS timer scrambler or anything like that. Just kind of hand scrambling. Okay, should be good. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. That was not very good, but I also did mess up. So, I definitely enjoy Square 1 a lot more now. This was my unboxing of the X-Men Volt Square 1. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.